These earbuds cost around 200 cedis but claim up to 100 hours of battery life. So today I'm testing it if they're actually worth buying. So right from the box is the itel Buds New 3 in the red and white color with enjoy better life rating, and the Buds New 3 with its quick specs rating on the box. And at the back you also get the available colors that you can have for the Buds New 3. I got the all black version, so let's open it and check everything. So you get a short Type-C cable and USB to Type-C cable for charging the earbuds, and you also get an extra ear tips just to support your ears if the existing one doesn't fit. The main device, the earbuds, comes in this, I think, blue-black color. So let's see how it looks inside. Yeah, so you see either the phantom black or the midnight blue as specified in the official website, because the color is a bit confusing due to their reflective blue and black combination. Yeah, so as you can see, the earbuds also has the same color. And always make sure you read the user manual to be able to set up or pair your device or fix it if there's any error. So it has a portable tilt capsule like case. You can see it looks like a capsule, and it makes it very easy and slide into your pocket effortlessly. Yeah, so the earbuds is very light and it has this ultra light feel in your ears, and it also has indicators for the left and the right side so you don't miss it when you are using this earbud. So it fits perfectly into your ears, very small, it's not that bulky. You can do workout and everything, but I'm not sure you can use it to the extreme level. It might maybe slip off or something. So before you pair your device, make sure you remove the blue tape from the earbuds just to make sure there will be a smooth connectivity between the Bluetooth and your phone. Yeah, so both the right and the left earbuds all needs to be removed before you connect. So just after that, just turn on your Bluetooth and open the lid of the earbuds and wait until you see the name of the device there. Just tap on the itel Buds New 3, and after a few seconds it automatically connects. You can do stuff like changing the name of the earbuds and check the level of the battery of the earbuds from the notification on the battery side of your phone. Yeah, Charlie, so this is a microphone test from the earbuds outside with no noise. So I'll go inside and play loud music and try if I can get the indoor shoot for you. Pardon me, I was just sleeping and I had to wake up and finish filming the video. So after some hours, it still feels comfortable in the ear and it's very hard to sleep off. Technically, if you are not doing anything extraordinary, it just fits in both ears, and listening to music or enjoying content was just smooth. And I was impressed with the bass level and how you can just do tap to next song, double tap, pick calls, and you just enjoy the gestures on the device. Yeah, so I did a call test, so let's see the outcome. However, what to make a year? And I know that. We used to work me pay my dinner. Okay, Marty. Whatever, make test microphone, we can tell my dear friend. Okay, Marty. Okay. If you are looking for budget earbuds under 250 cedis, the itel Buds New might actually surprise you. Based on my review so far, I compared it with my Rimo Space Buds, and it's a bit close but not that perfect with it here. So kindly subscribe and I'll see you again in the next video.